Help. Help me remember about me, about you, about us. Hope. What do we hope from today? It's time. It's time to take a moment to think, to feel, to hope, to help. Me be me, you be you, being ourselves, the best of ourselves. We are different. We are equal. Equal chances, equal hopes, equal spaces. Educate, relate, elevate, embrace. Embrace races, ages, differences. Love. Love comes with compassion. Love for humanity. Compassion for sustainability of the living beings. The best way to walk is together. The best way to talk is together. The best way to do is together. Together is the best way to create the life we wish to live. We are everyone. Everyone is us. The past, the now, and the next. Our future is all as one. The power to help, to hope, to be diversely strong. To be different is our strength, and it begins with us.